everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have a giveaway tonight and I've reached 4,000 subscribers, and thanks to all of you out there who support me, have followed me, commented, shared the love. I just want to tell you how much I appreciate you. So I'm going to do a giveaway for my 4,000 subscribers, and I just wanted to let you know that I've decided to pick the painting that has been the most viewed pretty much. It's had 45,000 views, and I think it's been favorited overall out of all of my videos. So it is this one. So if you've watched any of my videos, this was done one morning, early morning, just kind of put it together, did this swipe, and I was just having so much fun with it. And this has just turned out to be my overall #1. And I've kept it aside. I've actually had a few people ask me if they could purchase this, and I said I was keeping it for myself, and then I decided, no, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on Etsy. And it's just one that I've been holding on to it, because you know how when you do something, it becomes one of your favorites. It's like, oh, I want that for myself. But I'm going to go ahead and give this away for my 4,000 subscribers, because I love you all so much and I just really appreciate you. So to be entered for this giveaway, of course, is all you need to do is be subscribed, hit the like button, and leave a comment down below for me. I will hold this giveaway until Labor Day, and then I think I will just get back on YouTube and do a video and do a computer generated raffle, and whoever wins, I'll get it shipped out to you right away. And again, thank you so much for all the love and support that you have given me. I really appreciate each and every one of you. So good luck, everybody. You all take care.